tutorial, I will show you this springtime makeup look with copper eyeliner. Having this copper tone around the eyes really emphasizes green tones in your eyes. So if you have green eyes, it will really make them pop. If you have brown or hazel eyes with a little bit of green, it will accentuate that color. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity. Check out my podcast at MDXpods.com. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
Starting with clean skin, I used my Skin Diva 20% Argireline Serum. They sent me this serum, which I am absolutely loving for fine lines and wrinkles. I put it all over my face, down my neck, and on my chest. Then I used my Mamonde Floral Hydra Cream. They sent me this one with narcissus flower in it, and it is super luxurious on my skin and a little bit heavier than what I usually use. Then I used my Curl Core Defining Cream that I got from Amica, and I am loving this curl defining cream. I let my hair dry about 75% of the way, and then I scrunch this into my hair just to give it a little bit more body and shine. Then I used my Volition Prismatic Luminizing Shield. This is an SPF 50 that goes on beautifully under makeup, and I put that all over my face and down my neck as well. Then I used my Dune Minerals Concealer. This is a mineral-based concealer that I love to put on with a small fluffy brush. It blends flawlessly into my skin and covers up any blemishes or dark circles. Then I used my Clarins Everlasting Foundation Compact, and I put this on with a small fluffy brush. This is a little bit looser than putting it on with a kabuki brush. Next, I used my cream contour palette that Sleek Makeup sent to me. I dipped into the darkest color using my oval brush and cut in underneath my cheekbones, around my forehead, into my temples, and then a little bit around my outer edge of my jawline and under my chin, of course, just to create some nice shadow and depth where I want it down there. After that, I took my flat foundation brush and I dipped into a couple of the lighter colors, and combining those, I went down my nose, I did a little bit in the center of my forehead, and then I did a triangle pattern underneath both of my eyes just to cover up those dark circles and highlight the cheekbones. Then I used my Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh powder that they sent to me, and I used this on a very loose fluffy brush, and this has a cooling sensation which feels absolutely amazing on the skin. While you set your makeup, you can use it throughout the day to refresh it, and it doesn't build up or feel heavy. I used my go-to blush, which is Coralista from Benefit, and I always just put that on with the brush that comes with it. Then I used my Brow Bar To Go from Gerard Cosmetics and gently filled in my brows. I don't like them to look too overdone, especially when I'm going lighter on my regular eye makeup. I used this other palette from Sleek Makeup as well. This is their eyeshadow palette. I dipped into this very light cream color and I dusted that all over my entire eyelid. Then I dipped into this shimmery little plum color, which is really great for adding a little bit of depth around the socket. I gently built that up until I liked the depth of it, and then I brought it underneath my lower eyelids as well. Then I used a small compact brush and I dipped into this shimmery champagne color. I brought that about halfway into my lower eyelids to brighten up this look a little bit, and then using that same brush I wet it down and I used that exact same champagne color all over the entire eyelid, gently building it up from the center, working my way out. Once I had done the entire eyelid with that, I dipped that same wet brush into this gorgeous copper color, and I brought that along the outer half of my lower eyelids. I didn't want this to be too defined on the lower eyelids because I was going to go in with this flat angled brush. Again, this one is wet down, and I used this exact same copper eyeshadow as my eyeliner. Then I curled my eyelashes, and after that I was ready for my mascara. And then I was ready for my mascara. I got this Lash Warrior mascara from Flower Cosmetics, and I absolutely love the brush that came with this. They gifted this mascara to me and I was a little bit skeptical until I saw the brush. I love these silicone brushes that are fantastic for separating the lashes, and you don't get too much product on there that's going to clump up and make your lashes look like spider legs. After that, I used another Sleek Makeup palette. This is their highlighter palette, and just using my fingertips, I dipped into that that champagne color, the smooth one in the upper corner, and I brought that over my cheekbones, down my nose, a little bit on my brow bones, and then on my Cupid's bow for a cute little highlight. Next, I used my Gerard Cosmetics CYS lip gloss, and this is in the color Nude. Of course, this is the lip gloss that lights up when you put it on, and it has a really beautiful sheer peachy finish to it. And that is the completed look. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.